I'd swap that around. I'd say PPE has to be one, and then risk assessment and VPE could be either way around. But just methodically, I do PPE, risk assessment, before you start covering the car up with VPE.
Yes.
It's so easy in that setting just to validate the engaged, highly vocal, highly verbal student, but he's really thinking about equity of the thinking here, making sure that everyone is doing the work. Now Charlie's brought the groups back and he's going to process what they talked about.
All right, what I want to do then is just go through the order as a group, make sure we're agreed, and make sure we're happy that when we go over to do the task, we're going to be complete in the right order. So first one then, what did we have as number one? What did everyone have? Going through the different groups. So your PPE first, and that was you and Dom. Rachel, what did your group have as number one?
Really like that he's intentionally going through each group and asking them to voice an answer, and not just speak for themselves individually, but to speak for the group. What did your group have? But he really intentionally asks each group to weigh in and share their thinking here. If it's worth taking the time to send students out to do group work, it's worth asking each of them to describe what they talked about when you come back to the whole group.